Champi versus Noel. Champi is the leader, Noel is the chaser.
Another driver from tonight, Champi in the lead position, and Noel chasing him down.
Okay, drifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Champi once again off the line into the chicane. There's Noel not getting a lot of room there with his four-door big wing car. Look at this run from Champi. Let's see if he can achieve greatness throughout the rest of the track. Nice job. Still in clipping zone number 2. Let's see the transition to number 3. Nice and clean for Champi. But look at this Noel. Still shadowing his line, getting all the zones at the same time. Into the last clipping zone, and let's see what happens here. Noel trying to gain that last bit of proximity, trying to gain every advantage that he can.
A little bit advantage of 0.25 for Mr. Sam.
There we go, slight advantage to Champi, but now Noel is out in front. Let's see how Champi deals with chasing Noel down this run.
Let's see the second run. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Noel out in front. Can he reply with a gangster entry? Also, big angle coming out of the lane straight. Big angle. And look at this Noel. Perfectly executes clip zone number 1. Let's see how he does the rest of the track. He is achieving greatness right now, showing all his skills. There he goes. Little bit, could be a bit deeper in those outer zones, but here we go. Last clipping zone. Champi trying to make a statement across the finish line. But damn. Amazing entry from Noel on that one. All right, judges asking for another replay. Judges asking for another replay. There we go, judges deciphering what happened in that first clip. Nice job from Noel. I think you want to look at this transition. That was a big error for Champi. So here we go. Judges have seen all that they needed to see. Just waiting for the official results.
Winner, Champi.
There you go, Champi. Still moves on, but a round of applause for Sir Noel's entry in that first clipping zone. One of the best that we've seen the whole weekend.
Next, Glenn Young from Singapore versus Azzy Hong.
There we go, Glenn Young from Team Hobbyweight from Singapore. And Azzy.
Okay, drifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
There we go, out in front. Let's see this entry. Big entry, look at that. That doesn't fill up the whole zone. Chase car trying to get that proximity, shallowing the angle, dives in. Let's see if he can make it up to clipping zone number 3. Takes the end of the line, trying to dive in. Big correction of the chase car into the last transition. Let's see if he can dive in properly. Kind of gets there, sacrifices the line, but a lot cleaner versus the other transitions that we watched at the rest of the track.
.25 advantage to Mr. Glenn. .25. Okay, let's see the second run. And 3, 2, 1, go.
All right, Azzy off the line. Glenn looking for his chance to attack. Nice smooth transition into the first clipping zone. As clean as it can be. But here we go. We have Glenn trying to get that proximity. Oh, just as I say that, doesn't get enough room to Azzy in the transition, it seems. And then here we go, last transition. Oh, Azzy even taps it, but loops it around. And it seemed like these two guys were on the edge the whole time. A lot of errors from both sides, but I think that would be the deciding factor, that last clipping zone. Again, looking at our big screen for the replay to see just what happened. Let's see if it was a unforced error or what mistake happened. Okay. Alright, judges saw what they needed to see.
Winner from Singapore, Glenn Young.
There you go, Glenn.
Jay Liu versus Eric De Jesus.
Here we go, Jay Liu from Malaysia versus Eric De Jesus.
Jay is the leader, Eric is the chaser. Okay, lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Jay off the line with that C8 Corvette. Onto the main straight. Let's see if he does a big flick here. Big angle from Jay. Just about gets the car inside. But look at this. Eric still part of the picture, just as I say that big gap forms in the clipping zone number 3. Let's see what Eric can do here. He gains that proximity. Shadowing enough. Oh, but there you go. The big error there. It was just a car position, the timing of the transition just sent Eric straight into the wall, ruining his chase run. But now we can switch him around and see what Eric can do in a chase run. Can he shake Jay off his tail?
Let's see the second run. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Eric off the line, he needs to achieve greatness, and I think we all know that he does. Here we go, nice entry, but hits the wall again. But look at this, Jay adjusting perfectly, still going for the run, even with a big error out in front, into the third clipping zone. Oh my gosh, not even a millimeter of distance between that transition right there into the last zone and across the line, but there is that big error. The start of the track, let's see what the judges have to say.
Winner, Jay.
There
Next,
you go.
Rio versus Jin. Rio. Okay, lifters, ready? And 3, 2, 1, go.
Rio out in front, let's see what kind of initiation he's going to do here. The green clean GR86 throws it in almost backwards, fills up that zone. Look at this Rio jumping in, almost causing a big collision, but there he goes, trying to gain that proximity into number 3. There you go. Oh, but it stalls up Jin, causing him to go offline, taps that wall. But look at this, out in front Ryu. Clean run nonetheless, keeping it together across the finish line. Nothing really bad to say about his run out in front. But now we're going to switch it around. Jin's going to be in front. Ryu is going to go chase him. So Jin out in front in the red car.
Advantage to leader. Let's see the second round. Lifters ready and 3, 2, 1, go.
Off the line, Jin still has a chance to shake Ryu off his tail and show what he can do in the lead position with that GR Supra. There you go. Big angle. Keeps it halfway in the box, into clipping zone number 2, a little late inside, but gets around, no problem. But look at this Ryu, right there, big transition from Ryu, but gets back onto the door, doesn't phase him into the last corner. Let's see what happens here. Oh, Jin with big angle. I actually don't know if Ryu saved Jin from spinning out right there before the finish line.
Winner, Ryu.
There you go, Ryu moves on.
Nick Kawabata versus Jem Ramos. The leader Jam is the chaser.
There we go. Nick Kawabata from Malaysia also.
From Team Ready Arena. Okay, drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
We go off the line.
Oh, restart.
Drama coming off the line. That calls for a restart. Once again, Nick Kawabata out in front from Malaysia. Jem, the chase position.
Okay, drifters ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
We go off the line. Let's see what happens here. Looks like a cleaner shot. Oh, it's a tap.
Up, restart.
All right. Hold on, we have to count the yellow cards.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go. Will this be the clean run that we're all looking for? Looks like it. Onto the main straight. Nick Kawabata dives in, big angle, just about fills up the whole zone. But look at this gem. Smooth transition into clipping zone number 2. Shadowing Nick Kawabata into number 3. Still there, still part of the picture, still part of the battle. Nick Kawabata trying to get number 4, doesn't fill it up all the way. Look at this gem trying to dive in for the last clipping zone. Keeps it steady, keeps it clean. Nice run for both of these.
0.5 advantage to Nick Kawabata.
There you go, Nick Kawabata. It's like the advantage there. Let's see what Jem will do in the lead position.
Let's see the second round. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
Go Jem out in front. It looks like a clean start. Nick Kawabata adjusting the gems. Oh, almost hitting the wall there. Nice initiation, nice and smooth. Nick jumping in, achieving what he's seeking out to do, which is to get on Jem's door. Nice and clean. Through number 3, into clipping zone number 4. Nick a little bit on the inside, but makes it up here at the last corner. Ooh, Jem over angles, has to make that correction over the finish line. Nick Kawabata does a great job adjusting to that over angle and out in front.
Winner, Nick.
There you go, Nick Kawabata moves on.